Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're looking at the results of the contest I did a couple weeks ago where you sent me your application screenshots and there were quite a few entries there. Really nice work, folks. We've narrowed it down to 10 and then you voted on the top 3. So in this video, I'm gonna share the results with you and that's coming right up. Welcome back, folks. On this channel, you'll find NativeScript tips, tricks, and tutorials. So if you're not subscribed yet, click on that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any of those. And since I got quite a few entries from you submitting your apps, even if you didn't win one of the top 3 prizes, I'm still going to go ahead and feature your app in some of the videos that I'm going to be sharing here, just to get your name out there and to have people familiar with what you're up to, and to share the awesome work that you're doing. So today we're reviewing the 3 apps that actually won. In second place, we've got NL. This is their site right here, and the app is actually deployed both to the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. And it's a really, really beautiful app. It's a robo-advisor / wealth investment platform. And this app has a user base of over 25,000 clients, and they're rapidly growing with hundreds of users each month. This app is built with NativeScript with Angular. Thanks for your submission and congrats. In third place, we've got this Scuba Diving application, which is pretty cool looking. I feel like I'm swimming in the ocean when I'm using it. Actually, I don't know anything about scuba diving. To be honest with you, it scares the crap out of me. But this application doesn't scare me. It's a very nice app. I would use this app. It's a NativeScript View application. Congrats on the app. It looks great. And finally, the winner for the top prize is this app right here. Another NativeScript View app, by the way. And this app was designed to keep track of kids' activities like schoolwork and to be able to decide how much cash the kids should be able to carry. They spend a lot of time playing sports and games and watching TV, and limiting their interaction, of course, is a smart thing to do. Each child is going to be asking you for money as parents, and parents will be able to allocate funds to the kids and keep track of what they're spending money on. So it's pretty clever. Kids' tasks are gamified so they can keep getting points for completing their tasks and chores. Get those kids started early on productivity tips. Nicely done, and congratulations for winning the first prize. Everybody, thanks for your entries. We'll continue looking into the apps that you created and you've sent me. And if you want your app to be featured here, go ahead and submit it to me right here at this address. I'll be happy to share it with the rest of the NativeScript community. All right, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.